Oh my, dude, that guy's fucking hacking. Peter, can you hear me?
Yeah, what's up?
He's down.
I'm literally down next to you.
Whoa!
I got killed by an M60. Come on, who gets killed by an M60? Stay still, you piece of fucking shit.
No! What the fuck? Why? I snuck up on him.
I hate this fucking game. On me, motherfucker! How? God damn it, man. Fucking idiot.
Oh, yeah, honest, dude. Oh my god. I fell.
I'm being fucking shot. Dead.
Ah, what the fuck? What the hell, man?
Oh, dude, what's he fucking cheating? Bullshit.
Блять, I got fucking down.
What the fuck? No, get the... Ah, what the fuck is that guy doing right there? Boy. The two fucking glitters, dude. Fuck on, dude. You gotta be shitting me. You gotta be fucking absolutely shitting me. Damn, dude. That fucking suck.
Come on, man, shut the fuck up for a second. No fucking way!
Enemy dropping on me.
Right on you. Dude.
Down one.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's a person, not you. That wasn't you. So three people dropped? 3 people dropped on me just now. How, what, did they coordinate in the air? Ah, fucking chopper. Chopper! Get the fuck away from me. No,
Nagasaki.
Yeah, no, here. I got choppered. Helicopter! Guys, how many times do I get killed by the helicopter in this place? Shit fucking kills me every fucking time I land. Ah, missed. Fuck. No fucking way.
Alright, so if I was playing, I would take the elevator. Oh. Dude, oh my god, man. What a fucking piece of shit. Oh, so bad. No way! No fucking way!
Aye! Fuck.
Dude, oh my god. Just fucking bullshit. Oh my fucking... Okay. Quit. I'm down. And dead instantly. Like, easy fucking kill.
I shot him in the dick. Ow!
I'm down. What the fuck?
Fucking dead.
Suka. The guy killed me.
Behind, man.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
the
Oh, come the fuck on!
fuck? No way! It's unfucking unbelievable! Oh my god. Dude, that was such bad playing.
Fuck!
Oh.
Excuse me.
Fucking goddamn. Okay. I'm done playing. How does that fucking even work with the dude?
Oh! That was my fucking retarded ass. Stupid fucking idiot.
Ну, сука, блять. Fuck you and your mother, you piece of shit. Fucking bullshit. Fucking bullshit. Fucking motherfucker.
Ah, fuck! God damn it! God motherfucker!
Such horseshit, man.
Get the fuck away from me. On perimeter?
Ой, блять. Combat. Ой, блять, dude. Fuck you, game.
There's a red door. Look at this. What the fuck?
Hey everybody, this is Feder with 3D Print SOS. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to check out the Vox Lab Aquila 3D printer.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my fucking god.
Can't hit anything for shit. Damn, he found it.
What's up guys, it's Fetter from 3D Print SOS. Today I want to tackle the 5 most frequently asked questions I get about the VoxLab Aquila 3D printer.
No, we should go to Fetter. Yeah, we should try for that mode out, yes. We should go to Fetter. Yeah, we should go to Fetter.
Wait, you are contradicting yourself. I'm confused now.
We should regroup with Fetter and go to the loadout.
Oh, okay.
Dude, I can't play this game, man.
I'm dying peacefully in the gas.